Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to create a high and low countertop. Okay, let's get started. So firstly, you may have two different types of cabinets, alright? The height would be slightly different, one which is slightly higher than the other one. Okay, so right now, let's start by creating our countertop first. So come right on top here, select countertop, and then click on countertop installation. Alright, so over at this part, okay, you may actually choose or select the sections and material. Okay, so I'll be using this one, choose, and then once it's done, click on OK. So as you can see, I already created my countertop. Okay, so right now I would like to delete this side. Okay, so how do I do that? Right click and then select Countertop Editing. Okay, so scroll right all the way down here, and as you can see, there's a front water retaining and a back water retaining. Okay, which is basically the front baffle and the back baffle. Okay, and as you can see, when I move my mouse across this row of numbers, these four angles will actually pop out a number, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and as you can see. Okay, so if you would like to know or learn about what's a back baffle and how do you key in this number, okay, please go to our YouTube channel and then search for the back baffle video. All right, so right now my starting point I'll key in 2, and then my end point I'll key in 1. All right, once it's done, click on OK. So as you can see, I've successfully deleted the side countertop. Alright, so right now I would like to generate my high and low countertop. How do I do that? Hold on to your control button, alright, and select both of these countertop. Right click, generate high and low countertop. Alright, so let's move closer. Okay, so as you can see, when I move my mouse or my cursor to the corner, you will see there's a red line. Okay, so for this side, you may not see with your bare eyes, but just click onto it, okay, until you see like a highlighted red line. Okay, so on this top part also, click onto the red line and this chart will actually appear. So over here you may install a normal worktop or a 90-degree straight worktop. All right, so front indent and back indent. All right, what's a front indent and a back indent? Okay, so as you can see right now, this side of the countertop is actually the dimensions. Okay, it covers up according to the size of your cabinet, right? So if let's say my front indent I key in 20 and my back indent I key in 35, okay, so it will actually cut off some of your countertop. All right, so if let's say you would like it to cover up until the entire thing, okay, follow according to the size of your cabinet, then just put it back to 0. All right, so right now let me put 20 and 35 at the back. So over here at the bottom, there are 3 types of patterns. Okay, so I choose one of these pattern and I generate. All right, so I've already created my high and low countertop. Okay, and if let's say I would like to change to another pattern, okay, all I can do is just Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, remember, Ctrl Z to undo. Do not delete the panel. Okay, do not use delete button. Always use the Ctrl Z. Okay, and then same thing. Hold on to your control button. Select both of the countertop. Right click, generate countertop. Okay, so go to the corner, click the line. Okay, until you see this thing pop out. So right now I would like to change to this pattern, generate. Okay, so this is how you create a high and low countertop. Good luck trying, guys.